Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Huntington Park, local and long distance movers near me. When you need to move 100 miles or further, you need long distance movers to help you. This type of move requires the right transportation options and the right team to load up and unload. You want to choose a moving company with plenty of experience with long distance moves. We provide all the basic services along with many additional services. Some of the additional services we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company isn't always easy to rationalize. We provide plenty of benefits, however. Our team will save you plenty of time and will give you a crew to handle the heavy lifting. When you want to a more convenient local move, we're ready to help it become a reality for you. A good local moving company, such as 3 Movers, will streamline your moving day. We provide you with the right crew to make your moving day super easy. A move that takes you all weekend will only take us a few hours to complete. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Huntington Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.